What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be talking about different marketing tools and resources that is inside the system that will allow you to make instant 100% commissions daily. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell, guys, so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make these daily commissions. So here in my back office of $25Dollar1Up, if you don't know what $25Dollar1Up is, it's a system that allows you to make instant commissions every single day once you promote and sell one of these digital products that are over here on the side. The gold level is $25 level. You earn $25 commissions. It comes with pre-written ads and more retools and trainings and stuff that you could use to help you run any online business or just this business in general. And you have the platinum level, which you earn 100% commissions from referring others to this product level. And it has Instagram training, YouTube training, Facebook training. You have the ability to add a third-party autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse. And you have the diamond level, guys, which I highly recommend that you come in at the diamond level. $250 commissions. You earn $250 per commission. And you just get the gold and the platinum for free. All of those trainings that comes with those two levels, plus the trainings that comes with the diamond level, which is phenomenal. It allows you to edit certain pages like your bridge page or sales page. You can add a domain. Like if you want to add a domain to this particular system, you can. So if you already have your domain, you can connect it to here. If you don't know what a domain is, guys, it's training inside of here that will show you how to create one and set everything up. That's the beauty of this system. Anything that you don't know or might have questions on is already built inside to answer your questions when it comes to marketing online. Okay, so you also get to know, like, with this diamond level, it also teaches you how to run a t-shirt business online. I know you're thinking like, well, what does the t-shirt business have to do with $25Dollar1Up? $25Dollar1Up is not just a system that provides you income. It also gives you value. It also gives you other skills to market online efficiently. So a t-shirt business is something you probably always wanted to do and you just didn't know how to do it. But at this level, it gives you the ins and the outs on how to get started with it, how to market it, and what the people look for in that type of industry. So you get a lot of good training inside of here. And it's not like I said, it's not training that you could typically think of like, oh, it's a long course, I have to just do the course and then get started. No, it's stuff that you could use and implement into your daily routine and get results. So I highly recommend that you come in. You earn $250 per commission. You can also earn $125 commissions. This is if you want to set yourself up for success, guys. We focus on 2 to 4 sales a day, which allows you to just, free up more time, do more things that you want to do in life. And also, this could be a full-time pay. Now, a platinum level could also be a full-time pay as well, $100 per commission. $100 per commission. But the 250, guys, just less sales you have to make to hit that goal, okay? And the gold level, of course, it'll take a lot of sales to reach a certain goal. But if you really want to set yourself up for success coming in, guys, even with no experience, the diamond level is where you would want to, start off at. You also have the enterprise level, which is $500 per commission, and the elite level, you earn $1,000 per commission. So it'll be some information below, guys, on how you can get started with those levels. But I was just telling you guys how much money you could earn at each level, and you could check the information out below. But what I want to do is go over one of these funnel pages that highly converting right now. I'm running some traffic on it, and I already got 3 sales so far. This funnel that I'm about to show you right now, guys, is only available to people that come in at the diamond level. That's why I say you want to position yourself at the highest level that you can come in at. The diamond level is a solid level to come in at. You just get multiple resources. You get more funnel page, sale pages, and that are converting. So let me show you. Look at this right here. This is the page that I'm using, that I'm running ads on right now, and 3 sales already. And I just want to show you guys how it works. So look at the background. You have luxury buildings, big businesses buildings. It's like, look like a really nice place to be. So the background is pretty nice. Discover this proven system produces big results. Start now and see earnings in 24 hours or less. Now, when you join this business, it will allow you to earn money the same day, guys. We get paid instantly. So here, this is a true statement, but it's also the headline. You can earn money in 24 hours or less when you join this business. It's all up to you. It's the luxury of being a part of $25.1Up. You get instant 100% commissions. So it's pretty, it's pretty clear on what you are entering your email in for. And so you enter an email. I'm just gonna put one of my emails. I probably already have one in, and then you have to put this code. This allows the system to know if you're a real person or not just a robot. So they're going to click show me the video. I'm already subscribed, but in this case, it'll send them directly to the sales page, which is highly converting. If you don't know who Steven Rachel is, guys, that's my sponsor. He is the top earner of this system so far. So they put him in the sales funnel, and which is converting. So as you can see already, you don't have to do anything, guys, but drive traffic to the websites. And this is the presentation page. It's already done for you. You may be like, hey, I don't know how to, make a video just yet, or I don't want to be, I'm camera shy. This will allow people who've already made money. It's called leverage. It's built inside the system. Okay. This is leverage. The system will do the telling and the selling for you. All you have to do is sit back, drive traffic, and follow up. That's mainly all you have to do, guys, and set different resources and tools to put them together to get results. It's really not hard to make money online once you understand the concept. And that's what I want to do, is teach people the concept of how to make money online. What I do, the tools that I use, the resources that I use to get me results. So this is the funnel page that I've been using. You have leverage built in, other people's testimonial proofs. And they're going to be like, okay, well, let me get started. So they're going to click the get started button. And when they do that, guess what? There's more information on the system here while they are creating their account. So they can watch this video, or they can go ahead and click the account. It's another video explaining to them exactly what they need to do in order to get started. So when they click here, he's going to go through everything that they need to know. So that can eliminate a lot of questions that the person that you introduced this to may have. So this is one powerful funnel. As you see, the capture page is done for you. The presentation video is done for you. More information and a video to help them create the account with you. Okay, meet your sponsor. This is the page that they will get. Your name will be right here. You will have your own username behind this link. Okay, so this is a powerful funnel. It guides them. It literally holds their hand while they are joining under you. Okay, it's telling them everything they need to know, how to create this account, and the steps they need to take after creating an account, and how they could purchase, their levels, and how to get started with you. So I find it's very important that $25.1Up has created this powerful funnel, and this is just one of the funnels, guys. We have multiple funnels that you can use, okay? Even if you come in at the $25 level, you get this funnel here. Now, this funnel here is converting as well. Why is it converting? Because here you have multiple $25.1Up member testimonial before you put in your email address, all right? So that is very important as well. They're not only just signing up for something that they may not know about, but they are seeing that other people are making money. So $25.1Up has built-in leverage inside of the system that will allow you to make more money. It's just one big team. Everybody helps everybody to make money. But of course, it's your own business. But the system already has leverage of other people making money that gets other people excited. Because if you know about law and attraction, guys, money is nothing but energy. So if other people are excited about making money, then the person that you introduce this to will be excited about making money, and they will get started, and they will start getting results and start making money, and then they will share with other people. You see how it works? It's just one big system that is showing everybody a proven method that works. And once you just get on with it, guys, you will be able to share it with your family and friends if you like or choose to, or however you decide to promote the business. That would be your way of making your income. Me, I like to focus on a targeted audience that is looking for ways to make money from home, and that is just allowing people to free up time, help you navigate through life better, and be with the people that you love and take care of situations that you need money to take care of. A lot of people say money isn't everything, but everybody goes to work for it every day. Everybody, is stressed if they don't have it. So why not set yourself up to be financially free with this system? Because you get paid every single day. Because you get paid instantly every time somebody buys this system. So the money will go directly to your PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Bitcoin wallet, whatever processor you choose to use. Like me, I love Cash App, so I decided to get paid on Cash App through the system. And PayPal is cool as well because internationally everybody can't use Cash App. So PayPal will allow you to get paid through different from different countries. I have a lot of people that join me in England, London. I have a lot of people from Africa, Jamaica. It's a global business that allows you to make this type of income. So if you like what you see, guys, in this video, if you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up. Also, click that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.